How to log in GMFS Mortgage Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into GMFS Mortgage Account. Open up any web browser, then search for GMFS Mortgage. Now tap on this website, which is gmfsmortgage.com. Once you land on this website, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Out of these options, tap on the login option. Now, on this page, you want to tap on the sign into my account option. Now, on this page, you will have to enter your username. Once you have entered your username, if you want this detail to be remembered, check this box. If you do not know your username, you want to tap on How do I know my username option. Then it will guide you on how you can get your username. Once you have entered it, tap on the next option. On the next page, you will have to enter your password. Once you enter that, tap on the login option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.